The wish bottle. It is used to protect yourself in your home by creating a magical double of yourself. And to do that, what you need is a bottle. I prefer a glass bottle with a cork or a cap. And then along with the funnel, and then either a black or red candle with a lighter and a snuffer. And then you need material to put into the bottle, which are these over here. So you need broken and shattered glasses, broken and shattered mirror, knotted string, along with twist and bending nail and twist and bending pen. And from yourself will be your own nail, your hair, and your urine. And then what you want to do is put all these material into the bottle while reciting, "Harm be bound away from me." That's what you gotta say while you put all this material into the bottle. "Harm be bound away from me." So all you gotta do is just put it in and recite the word, "Harm be bound away from me." You have to keep doing it until you completed your bottle. But I'm not going to say it through the whole ritual and the whole process because it's going to be kind of annoying. So that's what you got to do. All right. So this is taking too long, so I'm just going to shortcut it. I'm just going to pour it in. All right. And then "Harm be bound away from me." Okay, I guess I can't do that. Too thick. "Harm be bound away from me." Okay. And then the string, the knotted string next. "Harm be bound away from me." You're supposed to keep saying that over and over and over, all right? "Harm be bound away from me," until you're completely done with the bottle. I'm just gonna pour everything in. "Harm be bound away from me." All right, let's push that in. Okay. And then next will be the bent and twisted nail. "Harm be bound away from me." And twisted pen. "Harm be bound away from me." All right, and the next one. "Harm be bound away from me." "Harm be bound away from me." All right, after I put on all the material, now I'm gonna put these right here, which represent me. All right, so these are the nail. "Harm be bound away from me." Okay, and then now for the hair. "Harm be bound away from me." Okay, I'm gonna have to push this in. Okay, I can't push it in. Hold up. "Harm be bound away from me." Okay, when you do it, try not to make a mess like me. Yeah, making a big mess. I'm just gonna put this inside. And now for the urine. All right, and fill up the jar. Harm be bound away from me. Okay, so now the reason why you have the candle is to seal up the cap. So what you want to do is light it up, and seal it up and close it. This is pretty much a glue to glue the cap onto the bottle and to seal it up so whatever go in can't come back out. So all right, so harm be bound away from me. And then I'm gonna do a complete seal on it. Harm be bound away from me. All right. Then the reason why you need a snuffer, because it is rude to blow the candle out, because the candle actually has life. So what you want to do is snuff it out to be more polite. There you go. All right. And then once you're done making your bottle, what you want to do is actually, okay, so let me explain first. So the idea behind this bottle, it is that evil spirits are drawn to it instead of you, and then get inside and get trapped by the nail, the pen, the knotted string, and get confused by the broken glass and mirror. So what you want to do is actually bury this bottle in front of your door, upside down like this. So you want to bury in front of your door. But if, let's say, you don't have a yard in your door, what you can do is, so what you could do is actually hide this in a remote area in the corner, deep below, something low from your home, or in your basement. But you gotta hide it where no one can see it, no one can find it. That's what you gotta do. All right. And then I guess I go bury this, and that's how you make the protected wish bottle. The wish bottle for protection.